Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Djibouti. So let's get started. So here we can see, so Djibouti, you can see here, it has thousands of unemployed people and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online is through freelancing. So to make money through freelancing, the best website I would suggest is Fiverr.com. So the Fiverr.com is a marketplace where we can just uh, sell the your services like your social media management, design something on Canva, content writing, deliver the personal messages, image background removal, and other things. So it's a very great platform. So to do that, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.